Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to analyze Bitcoin's recent price movement along with 4 other cryptocurrencies: Litecoin, Ethereum and Ripple. Okay, as you can see the chart, 4-hour chart on the screen for the Bitcoin, and as I did mention in my previous videos that 8,000 to 8,400 is the current current resistance for the Bitcoin. Now, as you can see on the 4-hour chart, that it has tried once, twice, thrice, and probably fourth and fifth time. Yeah, fourth time. It's basically bouncing on that level. It is struggling to cross. Now, what I can see through the chart is that it is going to break that resistance and will shoot up to the level of like $9,000. The reason is, if you look at the daily chart, and it's making higher lows, so that tells us that the pressure is going towards upward. Now, what I'm thinking is that probably, as if I draw a line here, let's draw a trend line and see what does it say. Okay, so from here, there you go. I would say, yeah, all about this, and there's a flat line here, so we'll just do a horizontal line. All right, so you can say it's a rising wedge. Now, to me, it looks like probably it's gonna take round about 28th of May, round about that time, or any time before that, the price will break that resistance of 8,200 and it will shoot up to the next level of around about 9,000. So I will be watching it very closely in next coming hours, and I can see there's a lot of pressure going up towards the line. It's tried once and twice, and now it's trying to break. It's just trying to break third time on a daily chart. Now, looking at the indicators, I know that this is a little worrying. This is quite worrying for me because MACD is now crossed and it's showing a little bit of weakness in the price. However, price is making higher lows. RSI it's not in the overbought territory, so it's kind of like a 60 or 65, 60 level, which is okay, and it's start rising now. So I would expect the price of Bitcoin to break that resistance of 8,200 and then move towards 9,000. That's my analysis for the Bitcoin as of now today. Now, looking at the other cryptocurrencies, let's look at the Ripple. Ripple is again, as we've drawn from the previous one, you can see it's still on the 50%. It's getting a nice support there. It did get a support on this level, which is pretty good, 0.38, which is nice. And yeah, it bounced once and twice. Now it's just trying to it's just holding it nicely here, which is perfect. Again, this is a little worry because MACD is not showing a little weakness here, but well, let's see how it goes. There's a cross in the moving averages here, which is a good sign for the long term. So again, all looking good at the moment. Ripple is again, I still hold those targets, as I did mention in my previous videos. If you haven't watched them, please have a look. They have got dates on them, and I have analyzed those on those dates, and you can compare the analysis. Now look at the Litecoin. I know Litecoin was really nice. It made a jump of like 14% yesterday, which was pretty good. Again, Litecoin has got a massive resistance here. It did not cross 105, 104, 200, 103, 104 level. It's trying again now. It's on that resistance. But if you look, let's look at the overall one. So yeah, still those lines are there, and I still hold my target of Litecoin 134, as mentioned in my previous videos. Please have a look. So if you look at the technical analysis, the indicators, yeah, it's really nice. Yeah, it's crossed upwards, which is pretty good. RSI is rising, nice and simple. Okay, now let's look at the Ethereum. Right, okay, Ethereum, as you can see, these lines are still there, which was drawn in my previous video. Now, obviously, this is a little worry here because MACD is showing little weakness on the daily chart. RSI is a little bit on the rise, but again, yes, I did mention that this is the first target for Ethereum. Ethereum is holding quite well. There's a nice crossover of moving averages here, which is pretty good. Now again, I'm still holding those targets. First target is that has been achieved, second and third target. So yep, watch for those levels. I mean, to be honest, it all depends on Bitcoin. I know that Bitcoin goes up, every other cryptocurrency, like all the altcoins, they go up as well. So I would be watching the Bitcoin move very closely in next coming hours. I will analyze again, maybe around about a couple of days of time, see how the price has moved of what we have analyzed here. But again, the critical level 8200, well, 82 to 8400 critical level in order to hit again above 9,000, around about 9,000 level. So yeah, this is I would expect Bitcoin, once it crosses 8,300 to 8,400 level, that resistance, I would expect Bitcoin to go around about 9,000 or beyond 9,000, probably 9,500. That's what I'm expecting. So yeah, this is my short and quick analysis for Bitcoin for today. And yeah, if you want to see how I have analyzed all those and how accurate my technical analysis are, please look at the other videos. If you have liked the video, please click on like, leave any comment if you have got any questions, and please do subscribe to my channel so you can get alert on any of the videos I upload in the future. Thank you very much.